right on top of this.
Okay. Well, I can hear you just fine. That makes sense because look at our shot. I don't know if you see that or not, but I mean, you don't influx strong for inflow.
What do you see?
Right, we're going over the bridge and look at the dust flying coming off of probably the RV lot. Oh, the power just went out at the RV lot over there. Had a gust 70 miles an hour. 70 miles an hour, David, right now. 70 miles an hour right now. And it's from
Power flash. Power flash to the north, Val.
I got rocks. I got rocks. Oh my goodness. We are getting debris. Look at this.
I think we have a tornado, Val.
Look at the wind. Oh my gosh. We just probably had 80 miles an hour right there. I got hit with debris in the side. Is that power flash is going on to our northwest? What's going on? Let's look around here.
Okay, power just went
Oh, I think we just had a spin up. David, it blew my wiper off.
Look, it's right above us.
Power flashes right now. Power flash right just northeast of us.
Okay.
What does it look like?
I'm looking for it.
I lost the wire.
It's right here, Val. We're in
It's just northeast of us. It's just northeast.
Yep, I see it right above us.
Does it look like a tornado?
It does look like a tornado.
Hey, we see a funnel.
It's a funnel right above us.